friendly, cute, amazing, and funny animals video compilation. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Alright, new challenge. Put your hand near your dog like
it's
you're
like a
going to
mini
pet
parrot.
them, but don't pet them yet and see what they do.
This is a cute, lovely colors this parrot has. Very tame. Look at that parrot. He loves his human.
Dum Dum!
What's this? Oh, is it a dog? Oh, no. It's a horse?
There he is!
Ah, it's a donkey. The donkey.
Oh, everybody's
donkey.
coming.
It's a very tame donkey. Look at that. Look at that donkey. Cute. Hey, who's this? That's a fox. Wow, look at that tail. It's a very fat tail. Look at that fox. So tame, so lovely. He seems to be enjoying himself. Lovely fox. Look at that fat belly. It's a fat fox. Oh, look at that. Oh, nice. This is a very tame lion. What a cute lion. Oh, a squirrel. That was fast. The name is Dinky. What a name. Oh, a voracious eater. Stuffing it all inside his mouth. This is a duck. Or a duck. And there he goes. Like a bullet. Look at that face of this monkey, like human being. Hey, you're teaching me. You're teasing me, human.
Oh, gosh.
Oh. Whoa. Look at that ducky. Cutie.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Like a boss.
I see.
Like a boss. Whoa. That's like a crocodile.
Back inside. Get inside.
Whoa, look at the size of that alligator. Crocodile.
Oh,
Dang, just imagine.
look at that. That is wild. Oh, he just went all the way through my tongue. Oh my gosh.
Look at the
Nope, don't do it.
jaws.
Don't even-
His jaws, really powerful jaws. This is a hamster. Yep. A hamster is always a welcome animal in any household. Okay, let's see how smart this hamster is. Oh. What a cute hamster. Up, down, up, down. Dang, this hamster is smart. Roll him. Roll it, roll it. The net. It's like, American Ninja. That is a cute llama. Why? Is she punishing the llama? Where are the keys? Where are your keys? Okay, you'll be spanked. You'll be punished.